If you could have the perfect business for you, the one that excites you, energizes you, encourages you, and enhances your revenue, and elevates your value and satisfaction, would you want to know how to do it? Would you like to know what's keeping you from everything you want from your business? Look, the problem is simple, but not easy. It's you. You are the only problem you will ever have, and you are the only solution you will ever need. You see, you control the type of business you have. Sure, you may be in a rut, but only you can get out and go up. You make the decisions that create the perfect business for you, no one else. You decide exactly with whom you will work. You decide on the services you will provide and how and when you will provide them. You decide on the staff you have and the associates that are in your ecosystem. You decide on the problems you solve and the products you offer to help solve them. You decide on when and how often you work. You decide on your vacations and your family time. You know, the right business multiplies value, but an off-perfect one drains your joy, decreases your energy, and slashes your results. A perfect business, though, attracts all the prospects in business you'll ever want, and you'll never want to retire from it either. It just takes the courage to step out in faith and know that when you create your perfect business, everything is easier, and you are as productive as you possibly can be. You are responsible for everything it takes to have a perfect business. The question is, will you take on that responsibility? And will you do it now? Hey, do you want a perfect business to create the heat for your business, your prospects, and your clients? Many top advisors already have used my practical experience to help them maximize their potential. And you can too. Learn more with a personal discovery call at jimruta.com. It's at my expense. God bless. We'll see you again next week.